rest of us saw warm weather today. We made it to 82 degrees at DIA. Most of the Front Range and Eastern Plains was in the 80s. We stayed a bit cooler in Colorado Springs, a high of just 78 degrees there, but much warmer down in Lamar, 91 degrees there. 60s and 70s up in the mountains, 80s and 90s across the western slope this afternoon. Right now at DIA, we're at 81 degrees, still pretty warm there. A little bit of cloud cover has pushed in, but we're still dry in that area. And we're looking for winds to come in from the northeast at around 7 miles per hour. Now we're dry at DIA, but other areas, especially across the eastern plains, can't say the same. We do have scattered showers and storms all across the Front Range and Eastern Plains, but those storms getting bigger as they make their way further east. So the entire Eastern Plains is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock this evening. That's this large teal square here. But within that, we do have a couple severe thunderstorm warnings that'll be in effect until around 5:30. So we're looking for a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. We have two actually just north of Yuma. This is where we're going to see one expire at 5:30. The other doesn't expire until 5:45, and then another severe thunderstorm warning just north of Sterling. What we're looking for with these storms, all of the blue circles likely to be hail. We're looking for around quarter-size hail possibilities, heavy downpours, especially where we're seeing these reds and orange colors. Now, we're also going to look for those winds to gust up to around 50 miles per hour, and then, of course, lots of lightning and thunder. Now, something to note, while these do expire at 5:30 and 5:45, these are pretty strong storms, so a lot of these warnings are likely to be extended and then pushed as these storms move their way northeastward. So we're going to continue to monitor these storms across the northern plains. We zoom out to the rest of the Front Range where you can see some light rain showers, a couple of lightning strikes here and there, but we saw a light rain shower over Fort Collins. That's starting to get smaller, and the same goes for the storm that was over Kremling maybe around 30 minutes or so ago. The southern half of the state still mostly dry, just a pop-up shower and storm here and there, where we are looking for a larger storm across the southeastern corner near Walsh, Colorado. As we take a look at our severe thunderstorm outlook for today, this really correlates with that severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect until 9 o'clock. All of this yellow areas where we're expecting the strongest storms today. The yellow area means we could see some large hail, damaging winds, and heavy downpours. And then you'll notice this thin strip of marginal risk here, and then Denver just under a general thunderstorm risk. So as we continue to monitor the eastern plains, and then especially into Nebraska and Kansas, we're looking for this slight risk for severe weather, level 2 out of 5, and then even enhanced in portions of Kansas where we're at level 3 out of 5 danger there. Taking a look at our futurecast, we go through the rest of the evening. We do still have some shower chances near Denver later this evening, but overall, all of the storms and showers move out overnight tonight, so we're waking up tomorrow sunny and warmer. We're going to get into the upper 80s, low 90s for our Sunday afternoon. We're looking a lot drier Sunday as well. Some of these light green spots, a lot of this precipitation likely to not even reach the ground Sunday afternoon, but where we do still hold some storm chances, again, will be the eastern plains as we go into the later evening hours for our Sunday. So we take a look at our severe thunderstorm risk for tomorrow, and then you'll notice portions of the plains, northern portions of the Front Range under this marginal risk for severe weather. We have a slight risk for severe weather across the far northeastern corner of Colorado, and then this enhanced risk pushing its way into Nebraska. So we will watch for some storm chances tomorrow across the plains. The northern plains are looking like you could see a pop-up strong storm here and there, but overall tomorrow is trending much drier than what we've seen today and the last few days. Overnight tonight, we're pretty mild with lows only in the 50s. We're only dropping into the middle 50s in Denver. The high country seeing those lows in the 30s and 40s, and then 40s, 50s, and even 60s for our lows out in Grand Junction. Tomorrow afternoon, we're getting warmer. Warm weather's really going to build in over the next few days. We're going to look for afternoon highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s across the northern half of the Front Range and Eastern Plains tomorrow, and then even some middle 90s as you make your way to the south. 70s up in the high country, very nice there. 80s and 90s out west. So you'll notice our 7-day forecast, lots of upper 80s and low 90s as we make our way through the entire week. What we're also going to watch for is going to be mostly dry weather, maybe breezy here and there, maybe a straight raindrop or a pop-up storm here and there, but overall, we're looking pretty dry Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not going to be until next Friday and into next Saturday where we see a front push in. That's going to drop our temperatures and bring more widespread shower and storm chances into next weekend.